real tight. Looking at
What do you think's tight?
negative.
Yo, who got a fucking lighter, yo?
Positive ain't shit. I got a lighter for you.
Yo, hold it real quick.
I
Hold
got
it.
you.
Yo, it's your motherfucking boy Dot Focus. I'm in one of the bakery studios.
Yeah.
Man. Fuck you, bitch ass niggas, man. Hold up.
He's ready to spark up. Look at him.
It's a cigarette, just in case one of my recruiters see me sparking something up. You know what I mean?
No weed.
No weed. You know what I'm saying?
No drugs.
Woo. 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 To the B gang.
And this right here, that's a blunt. Psych. See the filters are black and white.
We call
See
that
it? It's black and white and red on here. Yeah, you gotta see it on here, dog. Look at this shit.
Yo, show me what the lighter look like.
Look at this.
What the lighter look like.
Look at this. Look at the black and white on here. How crazy is this shit?
Oh shit!
Cigarette.
That's like fully black.
My man said it looked like a cigarette. What up, cuz? What up, cuz?
What up?
Ew, hold up. What you on the door? What you on the door?
Yo, look right here, yo.
Hey, he's recording this.
Get a picture of this right here.
Yeah, Joe, what's up? What's up, Joe?
Get a picture of this down here, dog.
Yeah, you tripping, yo?
Oh, fancy.
My man had a hole in his pants. He almost had me, but he ain't had me though. What up, Joe? What's up? Yeah, my man, he chilling. I take the scully off, man. I'm fresh off work. You dig what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to make a living off that positivity. Positivity, some
No
bullshit, but yeah, I mean, it's all good though. It's still positivity.
So it is.
And
No lie.
So what? You have to do the hook now.
I want to give a shout out to
the hook part.
I
don't remember what it does.
What is this? Oh.
And these beers that we be fucking up and all that shit. Oh yeah, hold on. Hold on, let me tap that. Hold my porty for me. Can you hold my?
Alright, right.
Hold your port. Greetings. I forgot about him. Say what's up. Say what's good. Bakery in the building. Yeah, let me hold that John D for me.
Hold the fucking look at that 6-inch ass.
I'm drunker than a fish right now, baby.
6-inch ass on there.
That's right. It's about to go down. Some magic's happening.
Whoa. Buddy, right, you some fire. He's getting. Whoa, look at that shit through the mirror. That shit look weird.
I'm trying to.
It's the light.
You can see it. You can see it. Yeah, you can see a silhouette.
Niggas tripping. Come on, guys. What the dude?
What? I ain't touched shit, dude.
No, Jody was right there. It's alright.
Huh? You do it.
Oh, hit the button. Hit the button.
Yeah.